things. I wanted to get possibly one little pumpkin. Came out about 50,000 fall decor items later. So I just filmed a video on this makeup look. It went up yesterday, so I'll link that video down below. But I went to TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby. I know I'm weak. They just have so much cute stuff. Got a crap ton of fall stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in this video. And I'm also gonna show you kind of how I style it so you can see it all come together and maybe get some ideas or whatever. My passion, besides makeup, one of them is home decor. I freaking love decorating. I love interior design. If you want to know kind of my style, if you're new here, you can check out some of my moving vlogs. I'll link the moving vlog playlist down below. So I have a very heavy giant TJ Maxx bag here. Also have a giant home goods bag here. I'm gonna start out with Hobby Lobby because breaking things already. I hope I shaved my armpits. So the really exciting thing about this fall is that this is the first fall that I've owned a home, so I can actually seasonally decorate. I have a place to store all this shit now, which is probably a good thing and a bad thing, but now I can decorate for the seasons, and it just hit me, so that's why I think I went a little crazy. So I wanted to get stuff to kind of transform my coffee cart situation and then my dining room table. Let me take all my 5,000 pumpkins out of here. First thing I got is this basket from Hobby Lobby. This actually wasn't in like any of the fall decor stuff. And with Hobby Lobby, there are a lot of cute things can be paired with the fall items that aren't necessarily in the fall section. So make sure you kind of like wander around and see what else they have, because a couple of the things I found that are perfect for fall were not in that section. So this I thought would be good for kind of year round too. This was did I just say 11? This was $11.99, but literally every single item I got was 40% off, every single one. Holding things like these are little festive pumpkins. There's some like little metallic things in there, and then some metallic pine cones. This was $12.99, again 40% off. I'm not gonna say that every time, everything was 40% off. So I'm gonna put some of these probably in here, but I also got another little basket kind of thing. Might add in some pumpkins. This I was thinking would be good for the table centerpiece, and this is just cute. Like you could use this as a fruit basket or something. So I got two little tiny pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. I usually buy real ones of these, and I'm still gonna get some real pumpkins, but these ones obviously you can just keep, and they were only $2.99, 40% off, so super affordable. So I just got two little tiny orange ones, and then this one, yeah, this was from Hobby Lobby. This one was $10, and this is so freaking beautiful. I loved that this was kind of like a more burnt orange, like a darker orange, and then you have glitter, gold glitter on here. How freaking pretty is this? So this with like the bright, and then I also got this one. This was $6.99, and I loved the green shade of this. It's not like obnoxiously green, it's just kind of like a toned down. And I'm either gonna put them in that basket mixed in with some of the pine cones and stuff, or I can put it in this basket. This was just in like their normal basket section, but it says general store on here, farmers market, and I just thought this would be cute. Again, I could use this any time of the year, but especially for fall with some like real apples or fake apples or something, this would just be really cute. And then some of the pumpkins in there, and it has this like woven material, so it's just very like, I think of pumpkin patch. This was $7.99. And also what you can do, so you don't have to fill this all the way up to the top, is just put like a stuffer down there. So whether it's just things that you get with like packing stuff, just to fill it up, so then your pumpkins or whatever you're putting in here kind of like stick out the top, so you don't have to completely fill it up with like actual decor things. This is a total coffee cart purchase. Just says pumpkin everything. I'm not super into like the saying kind of things. I think sometimes they're cute, and sometimes they can just look a little bit cheesy, but I think like one here or there is cute combined with other decor. So I really liked this one, and this was really cheap too. This was $5.99, 40% off. Do you like how I said I'm not gonna say that every time, and here we are. But like, look, all the pumpkins. So excited. This I got only for the background of my videos. I usually have just greenery in a little vase thing that sticks out in the frame, and I have to hiccup or burp. I don't know what that was, but it happened. They had really pretty orange reddish ones, but I thought it might be too much with the pumpkins in the background too. And these ones I could also just put in my living room too for when I'm not filming or whatever. I just like that these are kind of an off-white too, so they're just kind of warmer and fall-like. These were $15.99. They do get a lot in here, and floral was also 40% off, literally everything. The last thing that I got at Hobby Lobby was that wreath that's behind me. I didn't realize how expensive wreaths are, fake wreaths. So this beauty was $80, but on sale. Oh wow. Poking myself in the face with this. The thing I really liked about this is that, again, this could be used for different seasons. That's kind of my plan with it. You could just get different like things to add to this for Christmas or the holidays, or you could, even for spring, if you just added in some cute like pastel colored ribbon or eggs or something, you can just use this for any season. It's not like, you know, specifically fall. Might be a little high because that screw is pretty high, but let me put this back there. Looks a little smushed back there, but that's okay. So that was everything I got from Hobby Lobby. Now let's move on to TJ Maxx. This bag is so heavy. I did get fall decor stuff, but I also got some clothes. I went a little wild. I got this table runner. I was super happy they had these because I didn't see a single table runner at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna play around with how I do the table centerpiece thing, but I'm just envisioning this with some like green apples or like the pumpkins in here, and then this color. I think it'll look really cute. I was debating between this one, and they had a really toned down pumpkin one that didn't look like too Halloween-y. I was debating between that one and this, but I figured if I'm putting pumpkins on the table runner, it might be like pumpkin overload, you know? But this was $9.99 from TJ Maxx. All right, next up is the big Kahuna Pumpkins. This guy. I found a mustard yellow pumpkin. I was so happy when I saw this. It has a cute little gold top to it. This was $9.99. They had a few different sizes of this, and they actually also had matching, had a little dishware thing and a couple other things that matched this. So if you like this color but you don't want a pumpkin out of this, you might be able to find some other stuff. But I like the size of this one too, just to have some variation. You can see how much bigger it is compared to this guy. Oh, she wrapped this for me. Okay. This is possibly one of my favorite things I've ever purchased from TJ Maxx. It says TJ Maxx is my spirit animal, and this was on clearance for $2, so I don't know what that says about me. I don't know why no one else wants this, but I mean, I am so happy about this purchase. Speaking of mugs, I had to get one fall mug because I thought this would just look cute sitting on my Keurig on the coffee cart. It just says Hello Pumpkin, cute little writing on it, and I think it has a little, yeah, it has a little pumpkin on the inside too. And this one was $4.99. So I got two candles, and one looks really fall-y, this one, but it doesn't smell like fall at all. It still smells really good, but I mainly got it because I loved the label on here. This I thought would just look really good on, again, the table centerpiece, but it's mahogany whitewood. It says pineapple, blooming jasmine, and coastal driftwood. I don't get the pineapple vibes at all. It smells like mahogany teakwood from Bath & Body Works. $3.99. Like, look at that label. That is such a great label. And then here's the other one I got. This one obviously is a pumpkin candle, and I loved the color on the outside of here. It's honey pumpkin. Smells pretty intense. It's like borderline a little bit too much. It doesn't smell super pumpkin-y. It mostly just smells like sugar cookie mixed with pumpkin. But again, I just really liked the outside of this. Also smells good, that's a bonus. And this one was $6.99. All right, just a few things left, and the rest are all clothing. I am stoked about these jeans. It is so hard to find jeans that are short enough and that just fit me well. I got a little clip in the dressing room of these, so I'll pop them in, but these are actually Hudson brand, and these ones were originally $100 and I got them for $60. I love the bottom of these jeans. They're like a little bit frayed, but they're still tight enough around the ankles. They don't have that loose fit around the ankle. I hate that. Cute pockets on the butt, just like the normal kind of Hudson pockets. They're super soft and they're super stretchy. Like, these feel like comfy jeggings. They feel like they're really comfy American Eagle jeggings. And then I got two just kind of like, you know, wear what with whatever kind of t-shirts just for fall. These are just baggy, kind of nothing exciting, but this one has a hood and this one is really soft. I like the waffle print, and this was a little bit cropped, so I think it's supposed to be cropped on other people. On me, it's just like normal length, which is great. This will be cute to wear with any kind of jacket, leather jacket, jeans, whatever, yoga pants, like literally anything. And this one was $14.99, and then the same brand and the same kind of waffle print, except this one is black. This was $12.99. All right, we're doing vlog style for the rest of this video because literally all I have left is one item and my battery just died, and this is a chill casual bonus video anyways. This one just has it's like a mock neck. One of you guys commented on a haul video saying that's what this is called. It's like a low turtleneck, and I just thought this would be good for literally wearing with anything, for filming too, because it goes all the way up. It is tight around the bod. I'm not usually into like super tight, but I thought this would be cute tucked into high-waisted jeans with a jacket, or even tucked into a denim skirt or something. I just really liked the neckline of this, and it has these cute little sleeves too. It's not like super ruffly, but you get like a slight ruffle there. So that's everything I picked up. Bags are now empty. If you want to see more home decor stuff, fall stuff, whatever, just let me know down below. I love filming these kind of videos, and I love fall, and I love home decor, so this is like perfection for me right now. I'm like in my happy place. Dying plant up there. But if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Foundation Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. Again, this makeup look went up yesterday, but I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.